All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back at it again. Today's what? Today's January 29th, bro. What the hell's going on? 29 days has gone by. That's crazy. But if you don't know me by now, ladies and gentlemen, I go by Ali Malvis. And hold on, man, I should go get my hat or something. But we're gonna do it without the hat today. We're gonna do it without the hat. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am recording my journey on basically just buying stocks in the stock market. Just buying fractional shares. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch my previous videos so you can get an understanding on how did I get here, ladies and gentlemen. Um, my goal is to show what it would look like if you bought fractional shares every single day with good stocks, of course, right? And lately, I've been thinking about getting into some metals. I want to add to some metals into the portfolio. So right now, I'm thinking about like silver. Just took a clap. I might get into some silver today. Get some silver. I might buy some silver, and I want to do some copper. Some copper, and then some gold. So should I sell out of like should I sell out of should I sell out of stocks that I'm holding, or should I add to my portfolio? Let's see, what am I holding and what can I get out of what I don't want. I think I might sell out of the Dow Jones. We're gonna sell out of the Dow Jones because we got action on SPY. So I can actually sell out of the Dow Jones. We're gonna sell out of the Dow Jones. We're gonna move our money into. Well, actually, let me do it. Let me do it here. So I'm gonna give you guys a game plan. I'm gonna sell out of Dow Jones, buy into gold or silver, buy into those. So that would be leaving me 10. What could I cut out? What could I cut out as well? Let me see. I'm thinking. I don't want to cut the Netflix or the Microsoft as loss. I can get out the Russell. I get out the Russell, get out those Russells, get out the Dow, get out the Russell, and then add some gold, add some silver, add some copper, and then we're gonna buy into another position today, probably Microsoft or Netflix. So that's the game plan. I'm just gonna do it off my phone. That way I get a 2-for-1. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll walk you through what I'm about to do on my telephone. First thing first, we're gonna sell some Dow Jones. Dow Jones gave me 5 cents on my return. So we're gonna sell that. So we're gonna have $4.05. Sell all. Boom. So we just got rid of that Dow Jones. We just sold that. So we no longer have that investment. And we're also going to sell the Russell. The Russell, we're in for 4, gave us 25 cents, or 23 cents, 24 cents. So we're going to sell all that as well. So we just got out of the Russell, got out of the Dow, and then I'm going to add some silver, and we're going to add some gold. So I am buying dollars worth of silver right now. So you guys are gonna see that pop up somewhere here. We just added $1 silver. We're gonna add $1 gold. Add $1 of gold. And then we're also gonna add $1 of copper. Copper futures. Where is the ETF right here? So we just got into some coppers, gold, copper, and silver. So we just added metals to the portfolio. As you guys can see here, these three. These are miners. I think this is the actual ETF. These are miners. So I'm betting on the miners. I think this is not a miner, this is a trust. And then we got the copper miner as well. So we are putting ourselves with the metals. We're playing with the metals now. And then what stock am I gonna buy today? Stock am I gonna buy today to reposition myself? I want to add to that Microsoft. Definitely add to some Microsoft. Add to some Microsoft here. And let's watch. I bought $1 yesterday because they had earnings, I guess, and Oh no, they canceled. I didn't buy it, so we're gonna buy like $2 worth today. $2 worth. Buy like $2 worth, and watch what it does to our average cost here. Oof, brought us down significantly. So we just added $2 into Microsoft here. We got that add on our red day. And then what other could we add today? Let's look at Netflix. 82, back at the 82 level. The last time I bought, that's like 82.95, 82.74. I could buy another $1 worth. I'll buy it here on the phone. Look at the average cost. Barely went down. Barely went down. So, let's talk about this. I think there's a lot to take away from this, right? So I repositioned myself. I added other stocks. That's what happens in life sometimes. When we're on a consistent run, right? Let's use the gym for example. You've been consistently going to the gym, and you may have to change or adapt or put new things in front of you. For example, you may have to say, hey, this week I'm no longer going to work in a gym, I'm going to work outside. Or, hey, you know what? I'm no longer going to do strength building, I'm going to do cardio. You got to be able to adapt, cut, and make changes. And I believe for me, that was one of the changes I wanted to make is get away from like those ETFs as far as like the Dow Jones and the Russell, and then add some money into the metals. I know right now we're like, so today is actually a good day that I got into metals because today is a red day for the metals, or like we're like at an unch. But I like that I got into this day. I know I'm not like at all time highs with these metals, so I want to play the metals in real life. Like I'm buying metals in real life, and I also want to buy it on the stocks as well. So let me explain. Let me give you guys a little story. Like, look at this. A lot of my stuff is red. A lot of stuff is red today. But I've been investing in the stock markets, or at least investing and doing this journey since November 13th. And to show you guys that it doesn't take you guys a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money to start. I'm active in the market just like everybody else. Yeah, I'm not making and transferring millions of dollars, but that $80, $85 I kept in my account, it would have done nothing. Versus here, I'm gaining information, I'm gaining knowledge, I get to see what's going on in the market. I'm a market participant. So I say all that because there's somebody out there who's making a bunch of excuses thinking that they need a lot of money, they need so much things to get started, but you don't. And this is the reason why I'm recording these videos to show you guys, baby. If you guys aren't already, follow me on my social media. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok, Instagram at Strictly Financial. Comment down below if you guys are doing a journey like this, or what are you guys journeying? What are you guys doing? What are you guys investing in? And We catch each other tomorrow because tomorrow is Friday, baby, and tomorrow is the last day of the month of the trading month. Then we're in February. I'll see you guys next time.